me and my dad are gonna play some Battleship. So go ahead and put your ships down wherever on the board. And just to make sure, the red pins are for the ones you got correct and the white pins are for the incorrect ones?
No, the red pins are the ones that you put in your ship if somebody calls that number.
Okay.
And the white ones are where you call for the other side, so you can see patterns forming in the ones that you call.
I get it. Alright. Are you ready?
Not quite. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I'll go first. Okay. A4.
A4. Okay, am I supposed to say anything?
You're supposed to say hit or miss. If it's a hit, that means I hit your boat. If it's a miss, then I didn't hit anything.
That was a miss.
Okay. Now you go.
J7.
J7, that is a miss, sir. Alright, my turn. How about F8?
F8, that's a miss.
Okay, that's what I thought.
How about B5?
B5 is a miss.
Okay. G. Oh wait, can you tell me the first one I?
Like the first one you ever said?
Yeah.
A4.
Okay, now the second one.
The second one was F8. I just said that.
Wait, so we've both gone twice?
Yes.
And it's my turn? Did I get to go first before?
I went first, then you, then me, then you. It's your turn.
Am I missing something here?
I don't think so. Just
you went first, then I went first, then you went first.
You go. I went last time.
Somewhere I'm missing something. Okay. H2.
A myth. Okay. How about D7?
That was a myth.
Okay.
So I have 3 guesses and you have 3 guesses,
Yes.
yeah?
Yes.
It's my turn.
Yes.
Somehow we're off, but okay. C10.
Miss.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, it's your turn.
I just said C10 and you said miss.
Oh, okay. E4.
E. That's a miss. A1.
A1 is a hit.
Okay.
Go ahead. No, it's your turn. Or no, it's my turn.
I just said A1.
Okay. Hold on.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the red pin in my ship.
You're not supposed to do that yet. You're supposed to do that when I call it. Well, I guess it doesn't matter.
Well, you called A1 and that hit one of my ships.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's my turn?
Yes.
Okay. D3.
D. Oh, that's a miss.
Yeah!
I shouldn't react. That's the closest you've come to hitting me, though. But that's all I'm going to say.
Okay.
F7.
That is a miss.
Okay.
Okay, F7.
Ooh, that's a hit.
Oh!
B1.
That's a miss.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, how about F6?
F6. That is a miss.
What? Okay.
A2.
That's a hit. Okay, for me, I'm going to go with E7.
E. Oh, that was close. That's a miss.
I knew it. Okay. How about... Oh, no, it's your turn.
How about E6?
E6 is a hit. Okay. How about G7?
G7. That's a hit.
I knew it. Did I sink anything?
Wouldn't I tell you if you did?
Yeah. Okay.
A3.
You sunk one of my ships.
I sunk your battleship.
It was this one.
Oh.
I don't know what it's called though.
Your turn.
Yes. How about H7?
H7. You sunk my battleship.
Is that what this is called? The battleship?
Anytime, all of them are battleships.
Whatever.
I thought. Wait, that was H7, right? Yep. Mm-hmm.
You sunk my cargo ship. Okay.
Well, whatever it is, it's sunk.
Is it my turn now? Or your turn?
No, it's my turn because you just sunk me.
Go ahead. Tell me when my phone has a 20% battery remaining or 10%.
G6.
G6 is a miss. Sorry, Pops.
Okay.
How about B10? It's a miss.
Miss.
That's what I thought. Go ahead.
How about F6?
F6. That is a miss. Just like Mr. Doodle did by riding on a pony.
Go ahead.
Okay. How about J1.
That's a miss.
Ah. Okay.
How about cupcakes? E5.
E5 is a hit. Okay, go ahead.
I just said E5 and you said it was a hit, so it's your turn.
Oh, okay. How about G2?
That is a hit.
Ah, yay! Okay.
J2.
J2 is a hit. Pickle juice.
Go ahead.
Okay. J2.
That is a miss.
Stop. You're crazy. You're a clown.
E7.
That is a hit.
That's a hit?
Dang it. Yes, it is.
I'm seeing a pattern forming here.
Yeah. Go ahead. Or is it my turn? It's my turn.
Yeah, go ahead.
I4.
I. You said I4, miss.
Go ahead. I'm just checking the charge. Okay, I'm good.
How about...
You sound like a dead phone.
H9.
H.
H.
H9. That is a miss, but a close one. Okay, how about A1?
That is a mystery.
Mystery? Okay. Ah! Hold on. No! Are you joking?
I'm gonna run out of pegs pretty soon, so anyway, go ahead. Oh, is it my turn?
Yes. One of my picks fell into the crack.
Shall I go with E4?
E4, you just sunk my destroyer.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, you did.
Nuh-uh.
You sunk it.
Oh, okay. You say so, boss.
Okay. How about I9? D.
I9? That's a miss.
Okay. Anything else?
You scared me, though. How about I10?
I10. That is a miss.
Wah, wah. Go ahead.
Okay. J10.
J. 10. Miss.
Oh. I made that sound for nothing.
Yeah, you did. Oh, wait. Did you say J10?
Yeah.
That's still a miss. Sorry.
Ah! Ah!
Okay. Okay, I'm intrigued. G10.
Tough luck, kiddo. Okay, how about J9?
That's a miss. I just lost my peg.
Now I have... Oh, never mind.
Where'd it go? Stop. Before I crush your phone.
If you do that, then I'll have to make videos on your phone. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Isn't it your turn?
Oh, sure. G8.
G8. Tough luck again.
Were you like lying when you said I was close? Cause.
No.
Ay. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, how about I10?
Man, you keep going over there, but it's still a miss.
Are you? You said you were close there.
I wasn't joking, but you just haven't gone where it is, son.
Okay.
I8.
I8 you.
Fish and chips.
Nope, tough luck again. Just like Mr. Doodle did by riding on a pony.
Man, I've got 2 of your ships down and I can't do nothing, honey. Your turn.
Okay.
Why is this so long anyway?
I'll
Are you gonna edit it or something?
Yes. H9.
H9 is a miss.
What?
You already sunk that one. I mean, not in that exact spot, but. Okay, so H8.
You got a hit. How are you so good at this?
Well,
I have to poop.
I'm putting dots where I'm missing, and then filling in the cracks.
Go ahead.
No, I just called.
Oh, right. How about G10?
G10.
Yeah, G10. Yeah.
Why do you keep going that way? That's a miss.
Are you?
If there was a ship right along this track that you keep on asking about, you would have sunk it, but there's no ship there, so I don't know what you're thinking.
Okay.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yes. You're on your phone though, so that's breaking the rules.
I'm
just kidding. I didn't see anything.
Well, I know for a fact. Well, I don't know for a fact, but should I be nice and try to find something else? Because I've got 2 of your ships on my radar, and you're gonna hate me if I win, but
not really. It's just how you play the game. It's childhood lesson.
C7.
C7. That's a miss. Okay. I think I know what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
How about G8?
That's a miss. You're gonna have to get better at this thing. You have some. Are you saying what you've called somehow?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Probably. Just wondering, did I call I-10?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I could win this if I'm careful.
Go ahead.
How about B7?
You got another hit.
That's not possible.
No, you did.
No, it is not.
No, for real, you actually got a hit. I'm not joking.
Well, then one of my other hits was a lie, because there's only 4 pieces, right? Do you have 4 ships?
I have 5 ships.
Well, I only have 4 ships.
Are you missing a ship?
Well, I don't know. I only have 4 ships, and I've got 4 of your ships in play. So, how's that possible? Okay, well, I'll just, I'm out of red.
You're out of red picks?
Yeah. Because I've been marking all the places you've hit me. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, so B7 is somehow... Okay, I'll play in the deficit. I'm still going to win.
Go ahead.
If you got 5 ships and I got 4.
Go
No, actually, that makes it harder for me to win. But I've got all 5 of them pegged. So we're going to go with J3. Actually, I just got B7, so it's your turn to ask me.
Okay. How about H10?
No.
That's what I thought.
Why would you put
I have a
ships
low
right
battery
next to each
warning.
other? Okay.
So you said J3 on one of them? Because that's a hit.
J3's a hit.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, you said J3, so I get to go.
Yes.
Wait.
I go because you guessed J3.
Go.
D10.
D10, no.
I'm a terrible navigator.
J4?
Yes, that's a hit. Bam, bam.
How about B9?
B9 is a hit. Oh my gosh, you're only 3 away. I'm screwed. Oh, that's my turn. How about C6?
Man. Okay, no.
Okay, fine.
A10.
A miss.
I knew that. Go ahead.
Okay. How about C2?
Nope.
What?
Man, if you get on a roll, you're gonna... But you're not on a roll yet.
I know.
I'm gonna go for B6.
Miss.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with G3. What?
How about B10?
B10. Miss.
Really?
Yes. How about F2?
That's a hit.
Yes, finally! Ah.
So I seem to be missing the ship that has... Well, I don't know. Anyway.
Did I collapse this ship?
No.
Okay. So I didn't collapse the 2-piecer. Go ahead.
H5.
Miss.
Okay.
How about E2?
That's a hit.
Did I sink something?
Not yet.
Oh, crap. Go ahead.
J1.
J1. That's a hit. Oh, wait. You actually have 3 holes left. Before you had 4, now you have 3.
Go ahead.
Okay. How about D2?
D2 is a miss.
Dang it. Now there's only one way you could go for that ship. I have a feeling you know which one I'm going to say next.
A5.
A5 is a miss. How about H2?
H2 is a hit. You sunk something.
Finally, you sunk 3 of my ships. I only sunk 2 of yours.
Have I? I only thought I sunk 2 of yours.
No, you sunk 3.
How?
Oh, just 2. I'm stupid. Okay.
A4.
A4 is a miss.
Well, then I had to have sunk that
Yeah,
one.
you sunk the one in A1 through 3 and the one in E4 through E7.
Okay. Well, I screwed that one up. Go ahead.
Okay, how about
I forgot about that.
A6?
That's a miss. So then B8 has to be
Yeah,
something.
you sunk my submarine, I think it is. My yellow submarine.
Go ahead.
Okay. How about J6.5? Just kidding, J6.
Yeah, that's... wait. Yeah, that's a miss. But...
I'm under
yeah.
house arrest. Okay, go ahead.
That was a little close for comfort, but okay. J6.
J6. That is a miss.
Go ahead.
Alright. How about G5?
Miss.
Ah!
You haven't even touched 2 of my ships.
I know.
And you've gotten close to them. So I don't know what your deal is. Okay. So J5 maybe?
J5. Yep. You sunk my the ship that armies use to land their planes.
Does that mean I have 1, 2, 3, 4?
You only need to
and I
sink
have...
one more.
Okay, so go ahead.
Okay. F9.
What are you thinking?
You said there was a ship close to there.
You already sunk the ship close to there.
Never mind.
Okay, I'm gonna be nice to you. I don't know why.
Please don't. Just let the game be over so I can plug my phone in. Even though I don't want to lose, but I mean.
So J9.
No, that's a miss.
Yeah, I need that. Okay, go ahead. I
Um.
want you to at least get close.
C7.
That's a miss.
Dang. Just destroy my navy.
So J8.
No, that's a miss.
Right.
Okay, how about H5?
No.
What? No? Okay. What did I say it was?
You said H5, but
Okay.
you're still fishing in waters that...
You're
Okay,
filming still?
Just say the last one. We need to be done here.
H6?
No. You're close, though.
Oh. Now I see it.
Go ahead. I mean, no,
No, don't try to pick one.
A1.
You already did that one.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No. Oh. I guess I forgot to put it. Okay. A2.
No.
I'm just trying to finish this game. My phone's dying.
H7.
H7. Yeah, you got it. You win. Let me show the camera the final things.
Well, you should see where my...
Okay, so here's mine.
You said J6.5, and I was like...
Okay. I'm done.
You just refused to call B. That's all it be.
Oh well, I'll just buy more ships once I get my welfare check.
You know, we bought this. You have this at home.
No, we don't.
I bought it for Christmas.
I don't. Okay.
Are you sure you didn't realize that we have it at home?
Not really. I don't pay attention to things like that.
Well, now that I've beat you, you have to play me again so that you can try to beat me and I can win again.
No.
Oh dear.
Okay. Well, say bye-bye to the video.
Bye-bye to the video. Did you find your extra piece that fell through the crack?
No, I can't get it out.
Well, that's not acceptable.
What do you mean it's not acceptable?
You have to try to get it out.
I know. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video. I'll see you next time on day 3, which is tomorrow. Bye.